Big soap companies don't want you to know this, but the Amish have been making pure chemical-free soap for centuries, using just 3 natural ingredients. This soap lasts longer, cleans better, and nourishes your skin, all without the toxic junk found in store-bought bars. So why is nobody talking about it? Today, we're stepping inside the world of the Amish to uncover their secret, time-tested method of soap making. And trust me, once you see this, you'll never buy commercial soap again. For the Amish, life is about simplicity and self-sufficiency. No artificial preservatives, no synthetic dyes, just pure, old-fashioned soap making, handed down through generations. But why go through all this effort? Simple. Amish soap is 100% natural, lasts longer, and works better than anything you'll find in a store. And today, we're about to show you exactly how they make it. Unlike commercial soaps packed with chemicals you can't even pronounce, Amish soap is made with just 3 ingredients: animal fat, lard or tallow. This is what gives Amish soap its luxurious, moisturizing feel. It's what our ancestors used before palm oil and artificial fillers took over. Lye water, a natural cleaning powerhouse, made the old-fashioned way, from rainwater and hardwood ashes. Essential oils and herbs. Instead of fake fragrances, Amish soap is scented with real lavender, peppermint, or oatmeal, ingredients that actually benefit your skin. And now, here comes the real magic. First, they take pure animal fat and slowly melt it down, removing all impurities. This process takes hours, but patience is the key to a high-quality bar of soap. While the fat is rendering, they prepare lye water by pouring rainwater over wood ashes. This creates a strong, natural, alkaline solution, the secret ingredient that turns fat into soap. Now here's where the transformation happens. They mix the hot fat with lye water and stir, constantly. This reaction thickens the mixture, turning it into raw soap. Before it sets, they add natural scents and healing herbs. Lavender for relaxation, oatmeal for gentle exfoliation, peppermint for a refreshing clean. The mixture is then poured into wooden molds, where it sets for 24 hours before being cut into bars. But here's the secret. Amish soap isn't ready just yet. It must cure for at least 4 to 6 weeks, allowing excess moisture to evaporate. This is what makes Amish soap harder, longer lasting, and better lathering than commercial soaps. So why should you consider switching to Amish soap? Let's break it down. No chemicals. Forget sulfates, parabens, and artificial dyes. This soap is 100% natural. Better for skin, packed with glycerin, a natural moisturizer stripped from store soaps. Eco-friendly. No plastic bottles, no artificial waste, just pure biodegradable ingredients. But the real reason, once you try it, you'll never go back. So now that you know the Amish secret, would you try this ancient chemical-free soap? And if you found this fascinating, hit that like button. More ancient traditions are coming soon, so subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's next.